Okay, the good thing is that the oven maintains the temperature. So I'm going to program, modular chef. I'm going to bakery, and here I'll have the pastry. Okay, and here I have the brioche. Here we are. Okay, so start. Okay, he's going to see that the oven is ready done. Just open, close it. Here we are. So now the oven is cooking. Okay.
Started.
Yeah. So when
why do you have to open and close the door?
yeah, because he's going to say, okay, I have two preheating.
Oh, now
but
put it in.
He's going to check, okay, but the oven is already at temperature.
Yeah.
So please open, close the door, so you give me the okay to start with the wheel. But
Okay.
or you can skip the preheating with the red button. But
Oh, yeah.
Depends how you want to work it.
So now it started cooking.
Yeah, you see, but it's going down very fast.
Yep.
Okay, because actually you can feel it.
It's
that
taking
there is a
the
frozen product. So
Yeah.
all the humidity is going around the oven, and
Yep.
it's going to
It's cooling the
yeah.
chamber. Cool.
So actually, when you see this page, it means that the oven is working.
Yep.
Okay. As you can see, we are cooking in two steps, in two phases. Okay. One is because we want to cook the brioche, in this case, inside first. Okay, and then we are going to make a nice color outside.
Yep.
Okay, so that's why we are cooking.
So it's a lower temperature first?
Yes, it's low. Actually, no. The temperature is going to be the same.
Oh, okay.
170 bar. On the second step, we are going to make higher the ventilation. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So that's we're going to give you a very fast ventilation around.
Yep.
So we keep this temperature.
Yeah, we keep the temperature. What we're gonna do?
Light out the
Increase the fan
Well,
speed.
at the moment, as you can see, we have 170
Yes.
in convection.
Yes.
Okay, with ventilation 3.
3 here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. For 15 minutes.
Yes.
Then we are going to the second
Step
step.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, still 170 degrees. Okay, but we make
This will come up.
a faster ventilation for 4 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
As you can see, like I'm playing with the recipe, but the oven is still cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing because, for example, we decided to make this kind of things because when you make like the profiterole, okay, that they need to cook and raise at the same time.
Yeah.
It's a very delicate pastry product. Okay, if you make a mistake, you cannot take her out and then put back in. Otherwise, you have to throw everything in the bin.
But
so
you
if
can
you make a
adjust
mistake,
it.
yeah, you can adjust it straight away without stopping in
Yeah.
cooking. Okay, because
Okay.
just as we tell you before, the kids can make a mistake, or the chef is tired, so instead to
Yeah.
press 9, press 7.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you make a mistake and you're not free to modify what is actually the recipe, you're wasting time to make all the paste for the beignet.
Yeah.
So you have to throw everything in the bin.
Okay.
And it's wasting money. So yeah, as I said before.